homogeneous equilibrium positions. Equilibrium constant in gaseous systems. So far we have expressed equilibrium constant of the reaction in terms of molar concentration of reactant and product. Used symbol Kc for it for reactions involving gases. However, it is usually more convenient to express the equilibrium constant in terms of partial pressures. Ideal gas equation is written PV is equal to nRT. PV is equal to nRT. P is equal to N upon V RT. Here P is the pressure of PA and N is the number of moles of gases. V is volume of molecules and T is the temperature in Kelvin. Therefore, N upon V is concentration expressed in mole upon m cube. If concentration C in mole upon liter or mole upon diameter की cube and pressure is in bar, P is equal to CRT. We can also write P is equal to gaseous phase upon RT. R is equal to 0.0831 bar liter upon mole Kelvin. At constant temperature, pressure of gas is proportional to its concentrations. Pressure inversely proportional to gases. For reaction in equilibrium, hydrogen plus iodine gives 2 Hi molecules. We can write either Kc is equal to Hi gases molecule upon S2 I2 molecules or Kc PHI2 PH2 Pi2. Further, since PHI is equal to Hi gas molecules RT, Pi2 I2 gases RT S2 RT. In this example, Kp is equal to Kc, both equilibrium constant are equal. However, there is not always the case. For example, in nitrogen plus 3 hydrogen gives 2 ammonia molecules, Kp, PNS3 2 molecules, PN2, PS2 3 molecules, NS3 2 gives RT2, N2 gases RT hydrogens or RT की cube. Now we discuss about topic on heterogeneous equilibrium. Equilibrium in a system having more than one phases is called heterogeneous equilibrium. The equilibrium between water vapors and liquid water in a closed container is an example of heterogeneous equilibrium. S2 gives S2 gas liquid. In this example, there is gaseous phase and gaseous liquid phases. In the same way, equilibrium between solid and its saturated solution, calcium hydroxide plus aqueous plus solutions gives calcium 2 positive plus 2 OH negative ions. Heterogeneous equilibriums often involve pure, solid or liquid. We can simplify equilibrium expression for heterogeneous equilibria involving a pure liquid or pure solid, as molar concentration of pure solid and liquid is constant independent of amount present. In other words, if a substance X is involved, then X solid and X liquid are constant whatever amount of X is taken. Conversely, the very amount of the X in a given volume varies. Let us take thermal dissociation of calcium carbonate, which is interesting and important example of heterogeneous chemical equilibrium. Calcium carbonate gives calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide gases. On the basis of the stoichiometric equations, we can also write Kc is equal to calcium oxide solid calcium carbon dioxide molecule gases upon calcium carbonate solid. Since calcium carbonate and calcium oxide are both constant, therefore modified equilibrium constant for thermal decomposition of calcium carbonate will give Kc is equal to carbon dioxide gases, Kp is equal to P carbon dioxide. This shows that This shows that at particle temperature there is constant concentrations or pressure in equilibrium with calcium oxide and calcium carbonate. Experimentally, it has been found that at 1100 Kelvin, the pressure of carbon dioxide in equilibrium with calcium carbonate and calcium oxide is in equilibrium with calcium carbonate and calcium oxide in 2.0 into 10 की power 5 pressure. Therefore, equilibrium constant at 1100 Kelvin for above the reactions. Similarly, in the equilibrium between nickel carbon monoxide nickel carbonyl used in purification of nickels, nickel plus 4 carbon monoxides nickel carbon monoxides, the equilibrium constant is written as Kc is equal to nickel carbonyl upon carbon monoxide 4. It must be remembered that for existence of the heterogeneous equilibrium, pure solid and liquid must also be present. However, their concentration or partial pressures do not appear in the expression of the equilibriums in the reactions. Ag2O plus 2HNO3 gives AgNO3 molecule plus H2O. Application of equilibrium constant. Expression for equilibrium constant is applicable only when concentration at the reactant and product have attained constant value of the equilibrium state. The value of equilibrium constant is independent of initial concentration of reactant and product. Equilibrium constant is the temperature dependent, having one unique value for particular reactions, representing by a balanced equations at given temperature. The equilibrium constant for reverse reaction is equal to the inverse of the equilibrium constant for the forward reactions. Predicting the extent of the reactions. If Kc greater than 10 की power 3, the product predominate over the reactant. Kc is very large, the reaction proceeds nearly to the completions. Consider the following examples. The reaction of the H2 with oxygen at 500 Kelvin has very large equilibrium constant. Kc is equal to 2.40 into 10 की power 47. H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl at 300 Kelvin as Kc is equal to 4.0 10 की power 31. H2 plus Br2 gives 2HBr at 300 Kelvin. Kc is equal to 5.4 into 10 की power 13 10 की power 18. If Kc greater than 10 की power minus 3, reactant predominate over the product. If Kc is very small, the reaction between proceed rarely. Consider the following examples. Decomposition of the water into the hydrogen and oxygen at the 500 Kelvin has very small amount of the equilibrium constant. N2 plus O2 gives 2 NO2 molecules at 298 kelvins. For a reaction of hydrogen and iodine to give Hi, Kc is equal to 57.0 at 700 Kelvin. Also, gas phases decomposition of N2O24 to give NO2 in another reactions with a value of Kc is equal to 4.64 into 10 की power minus 3 at 25 degrees Celsius, which is neither too much small or too much larger. Hence, equilibrium mixture contain applicable concentration both N2O2 molecules. The generalization are illustrated. Negligible Kc 10 की power minus 3 or 10 की power plus 3. Both reactant and product are present at equilibrium. Predicting direct the concentration of the reactant. Equilibrium constant help in predicting the direction in which reaction will proceed at any stage. For these purposes, we calculate reactant quotients. The reactant quotients is defined in the same way as the equilibrium constant Kc, except the concentration in Kc are not easily necessary equilibrium values for a general reactions. Kc greater than Kc, the reaction will proceed in the direction of reactant. Kc greater than, the reverse reaction will proceed in direction of the product. If QC is equal to Kc, the reaction mixture is already at equilibrium. Consider the gaseous reaction of hydrogen. Hydrogen plus I2 molecule gives 2H2 molecules. Suppose we have molar concentrations S2 is equal to 0.10 m. The subscript on the concentration symbols means that concentration were measured at the some arbitrary times, not necessarily at equilibrium. The reaction quotient QC at these stages of the reaction is given by QC is equal to HIT 2 molecule upon S2 into I2 product T. Now, the reaction quotient QC is useful in the predicting direction of reactions by comparing the values of QC and Kc. Thus, we can make the following generalization concerning direction of reactions. If QC greater than Kc, net reaction goes from left to right. QC greater than Kc, net reaction from right to left. QC is equal to Kc, no net reactions. Predicting the direction of the reactions. The equilibrium constant help the predicting direction in which give reactions will proceed at any stages. For this purposes, we'll calculate the reaction quotient. The reaction quotient is defined as the same way the equilibrium constant Kc except the concentration in QC are not necessarily equilibrium values. For general reactions A or AA plus B give also C plus D. If QC greater than Kc, the reaction will proceed in direction of reaction. QC greater than Kc, the reaction will proceed in the direction of the product. Calculate equilibrium concentration. Step 1. Write the balance equation for reactions. Under the balance equations, make a table that lists for each substance involved in the reaction initial concentration, change in concentration on giving at equilibrium concentrations. Step 3. Substitute the equilibrium concentration into the equilibrium equation for the reactions and solve for the x. If you are solve a quadratic equation, choose a mathematical solutions that make a chemical synthesis. Step 4. Calculate the equilibrium concentration from calculated value of x. Step 5. Check your result by substituting them into the equilibrium equations. If G greater than 0, then del minus G upon RT is positive and E minus del G minus RT greater than 1, making K greater than, which means a spontaneous reaction or reaction which proceed in the forward direction to such an extent that product are present predominantly. If G greater than 0, then G upon RT is negative and E minus del G into upon RT is equal to 1, that is K greater than 1, which implies the non-spontaneous reactions or a reaction which proceed in the forward directions to such a small degrees that only a very minute quantity of the product is formed. Relationship between equilibrium constant K and reaction quotient Q and gives energy. Value of Kc for a reactions does not depend on the rate of reactions. It is directly related to the thermodynamics of the reaction and in particular to the change in Gibbs energy. Del G is negative, then reaction is spontaneous and proceed in the forward direction. Del G is positive, then the reaction is considered is non-spontaneous reaction. Instead, as a reverse reaction would have negative del G, the product of the forward reaction shall be converted to the reactant. Del G is 0, reaction has achieved equilibrium. At this point, there is no longer any free energy left to the drive reactions. A mathematical expressions of this thermodynamic view of the equilibrium can describe the following equations. Now we discuss about the Le Chatelier principle. State that Any change in the any factor that determine at equilibrium condition of a system will causes the system to change in such manner so as to reduce or contract the effect of the change. The effect of the concentration changes. General point of the Le-Chatelier principle follow the effect of concentration changes. Concentration stress of the added reactant product is relieved by the net reactions in the direction that consume added substances. Concentration stresses of a removed reactant and product is relieved by the net reactions in the direction that replenishes the removed substance. Hydrogen at equilibrium result in value of Kc being less than Kc. Thus, in order to attain equilibrium, again reactions move in the forward direction. Similarly, we can say that removal of product also boosts the forward and increase the concentration of product. This has a great commercial application in case of reaction where product is the gaseous or volatile substance. In case of the manufacture, ammonia is liquefied and removed from the reaction mixture so that reaction keeps moving in forward direction. Similarly, in large scale production, calcium oxide used as important building material from calcium carbonate. Constant removal of carbon dioxide from Kilson drives the reaction to completions. It should be remembered that continuous removal of product maintain Kc at value less than Kc and reaction continues to move in the forward directions. Effect of concentrations and experiment. This can be demonstrated by the following reactions. Iron 3 positive or thiocyanate molecule give also a colorless deep red colors. A reddish brown appear on adding drops of 2.002 m potassium thiocyanate solution of 1 ml of 0.2 m nitrate solution due to formation of iron thiocyanate. Intensity of the red color become constant on the tanning equilibrium. The equilibrium can be shifted in the either forward and reverse direction or product. The equilibrium can shifted opposite direction by adding reagent. Removal of F3 positive molecules, for example oxalic acid S2C2O4 react with iron 3 molecules to form a stable complex iron, thus decreasing the concentrations. Now we will discuss about the effect of the pressure changes. A pressure or change obtained by the changing volume can affect yield of product in the case of the gaseous reactions where the total number of the mole of the gaseous reactant and total number of the mole of gaseous product are different. In apply Le-Chatelier principle to heterogeneous equilibrium. Consider a reactions carbon monoxide or thin hydrogen molecule give also methane. Effect of the inert gas additions. If volume is kept at constant and a gas is inert such as argon is added which does not like part in the reaction, the equilibrium remain undisturbed. It is because addition of inert gases at constant volume does not change the partial pressures or molar concentration of the substance involved in the reaction. The reaction quotient changes only if the added gas is a reactant and product. Effect of temperature. In general, temperature dependence of the equilibrium constant depend on the sign of del H of the reactions. The equilibrium constant for exothermic reaction decreases as temperature increases. Equilibrium constant for endothermic reactions increase with the temperature increases. Now we will about effect of the temperature and the experiments. Effect of the temperature on equilibriums can be demonstrating by taking nitrogen gases in color which diverge with N2O4 molecules. N2O molecules gases prepared by the addition of the copper oxide turning to the concentration. HNO3 is collected into 5 ml test tubes of the color of the gas in each test tube and stopper sealed with the erledite. This 250 ml beaker 1 to 3 containing freezing mixture, water at the room temperature and low water respectively are taken. Both are the test tubes are placed in between 2 minutes for 8 or 10 minutes. After this, one is placed in beaker 1 and the other is placed in beaker 3. The effect of the temperature on direction of reaction is depicted very well. At low temperature in the beaker, at the forward direction of the reactions is preferred N2O4 molecules. Reaction is exothermic. The reactions intensity of the brown color due to NO2 molecule will also decrease. Now we discuss about effect of a catalyst. A catalyst increase rate of a chemical reaction by making available a net low energies. It increase rate of forward and reverse reactions so that passes through the same transition state. Does not affect the equilibrium. Catalyst lower the activation energy for the forward and reverse reactions by exactly the same amount. Catalyst does not affect the equilibrium compositions of a reaction mixture. It does not appear in a balanced chemical equilibriums or in the equilibrium constant expressions. Let us consider formation of ammonia from dinitrogen dihydrogen, which is highly exothermic reaction, and proceed with a decrease in total amount of the moles formed as compared to the reactant. Equilibrium constant decrease with increase at temperature. At low temperatures, rate decreases. It takes long time to reach equilibrium, where equilibriums at high temperature give satisfactory rate about the poor yield. German chemist Friedrich Haber discovered the rate of the catalyst consistent of the iron catalyze the reactions to occur satisfactorily, where the equilibrium concentration of the ammonia is reasonable favorables. Ionic equilibrium in solutions. Under the effect of the change in concentration on the direction of the equilibriums, you have incidentally come across the following equilibriums. There are the numerous equilibria that involves only ions. In the following sessions, we will discuss about the equilibria involving iron. It is well known that aqueous solution of sugar does not conduct electricity. When common salt is added to the water, it conducts electricity. Also, conductance of the electricity increase with the increase in concentration of common salt. Now, we tell about ionic equilibrium. Ionic equilibrium, it should be noted that in weak electrolyte, equilibrium is stabilized between ions and unionized ions molecule. This type of the equilibrium involving ions in the aqueous solution is called ionic equilibrium. Acid, base and salt. Acid, base and salt find a wide spreadsheet occurrence in nature. Hydrochloric acids present in gastric juice secreted by the lining of our stomach in significant amount of 1.2 and 1